Here's a C6 Corvette tool. Little tuned. Black with yellow. Ooh. Nice. This one out, man. Solid muscle. Hot Wheel digital circuit. This one's pretty tight. Doesn't have a number, so I'm guessing it's a Walmart exclusive, I guess. I'm not too sure. The red one is everywhere. Let's check it out. Paint job is tight. Love that blue. Got the tanks in the back. I'm assuming that it's for the airbags, or it could be the NOS tanks. I'm not too sure. What do y'all think? Solid muscle. Monday, watching some YouTube. About to open this carburetor from the Hot Wheels race team. Nice. I like the decals on it. And the tires are cool. If you guys are do custom cars. Nah, these tires are dope.
You're hiding the truth from the fucking people. I've never been live, Phil. I think we're
Carburetor.
This could be a huge mistake. We're either gonna see a massive drop or nothing.
Sweet. Oh, it's raining. It's raining. We got here a Toyota off-road truck from the Hot Wheels Daredevils. Let's crack it open. Free the wheel. Free the wheel. Oh, this one got a little weight to it. Yeah. Very nice. The movie with the little one. I'm gonna open this mean looking Halloween car, fright cars, street creeper. Has really nice colors on it. Noah. No. Nice. Look at that bad boy. There's a bat there. Have a good day, y'all.